Oh, taser part 2. Yeah, so on the 24th,
Dude, that's gonna suck. That hurts. That, like, you can't even barely flex that spot. You gotta have, like, side abs.
Announce yourself. Let's go.
Alright. This is take number 2 on the taser thing. And this gotta be quick. This gotta be quick. This gotta be quick. Hold on.
The gut's not too bad. The gut's not too bad. You'll be alright.
Go! Oh shit, that made me go this sideways, man.
Yeah, that's the one that made me kind of funny. Shit. Well, at least you got somebody's face now, man. I'm good on all that.
Come here, Jerry.
No, dude, I'm good on all that for today. I'm all tased out. If he's liking it, that's cool. He's drunk right now. Let him drink and get tased.
He sweat after that first one.
Well, dude, you held in his leg for at least, what, 9 seconds?
He kept sitting there going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, okay.
That was like my belly one.